A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. As we begin today. Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options trading journey. And today, Friday, February the 13th. Ooh, what a great day for us to be trading. Good morning. Big Money Lance is in the building. Shout out to you, Lance. I want to finish this week up strong. So today, Lance, I'm only interested in playbook trades. Good morning, Todd. Shout out to you, Todd. I'm grateful for you guys to be here. Strictly playbook trades today. I like the same areas today as yesterday as far as where I would like to look for a trade, and that is 607.2 area. Believe we could take it all the way to the 608.2, and if we go the other way, 605 put, possibly down to the 604.7. Okay, maybe even a little bit beyond that, 604.3, possibly 603.5. We will see what the market has in store. In it to win it, pre-market roller coaster. Yes, it is, and that is just further indication for me to chill. You know, strictly let's follow the system, the playbook, practice very good habits, and everything should be all right. Yes, sir. That is the way. Lance, you are correct. The only thing that has not been favorable to us has been the volume. But we will definitely take this as a learning experience and definitely look forward to getting together this time next year during this break that I plan to take between Thanksgiving and New Year's. Nonetheless, let's take advantage of the day. Grateful to be here. The market always gives us an opportunity to make profits. We just have to be selective and choose wisely and not make any move until an edge presents itself. So that is exactly how we will go for it today. Shout out to the team for being here. And let's see exactly what the market has in mind today. Let me adjust this volume a little bit. Bismillah. Here we go. We do have a controlled selling algo coming out of pre-market We also have a controlled buying, okay, algo, but around the 8:30 mark is when the structure changed. The structure changed from higher highs to higher lows. Now, with market open, we want to give the market a chance to respond to pre-market to see how it feels about the way pre-market trading went and if it respects the pre-market algos that were set. And then we will make adjustments if necessary. Okay. Let's adjust that because that is almost like the top of the algo. Can we get one? Can we get one? First 5 minutes, of course, very volatile. The first 15 minutes can trick you. Let's give the market just a little bit time to show us an easy, safe money-making trade. The bears are coming out the gate very strong. We did have a gap up, but it's looking like a gap and crap for right now. Ladies and gentlemen that are watching, this candle right here is the textbook example of what I mean when I say the first 5 minutes are very volatile. We watched this chart go up and down and up and down. Good morning, Dan the man. Was able to spot very early this controlled buying algo that is trying to break out of this early selling algo. I am not either, Lance. Lance says I'm not buying. Keyword. But we still, were able to identify it. So, any clues that the market gives us, we're going to identify them. I am on my job today. I am on my job. Yes, sir. Well, this will be a great liquidity move, Lance, because there is a larger buying algo. I have it right here. Let me go ahead and re-highlight it. So mine is not as far-fetched as you think. You see that? Let me show it to you on this chart. See that? Coming from yesterday, post-market, we were in a controlled buying algo, putting in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then, as I stated earlier, at 8 o'clock, we stop continuing with that uptrend and instead put in a double top and then a lower high, lower low, a change of structure. Now we are putting in a controlled selling algo that I was able to identify coming into pre-market, right into market open. Then at market open, we saw a controlled buying algo come into view. Only needing 2 candles to see it, we saw it and identified it. Now, this could be a great move by the long-term bulls to create a little bit of liquidity here, a little bit of profit taking, a little bit of trapping to be able to squeeze these bears back into the larger buying algo and back up to retest the 6078. So it's not far-fetched that you might want to buy here, especially because we're now above VWAP. And it is a pretty good call setup if, I repeat, Lance, if we get over the 6066 area. Realistically, this is the wrong color. It should be red, as it represents a daily resistance area. If we can get on top of this, have a break and retest, which is what we're having right now. If you're looking at the 1-minute chart, a break and retest wouldn't be a bad idea. I can understand how you feel, teammate. Maybe, Lance. Maybe. Still coming off 2 beautiful hammers, right? Well, let's go for it. All right, I just got in. You talked me into it. I just got in. You talked me into it. Now, but what I did want to see, we did get a chance to see. And that was, let me bring this up and highlight it on the 1-minute chart. Now, if you're looking here on the 1-minute chart, what I said I wanted to see a break and a retest. Well, that's exactly what we got here at 9:42. The 9:41 candle closed above our desired area of that 606. And as I stated to Lance, I can see that, but above this area, once we turned this weekly area of resistance into a weekly area of support. Now, it is the right color, hence a great move, but still acknowledging that it is inside of a controlled algo. So you have 2 options here. You can either take you a little bit of money right here in this area, as we just hit the top of it, right as I was talking. Wow. You can take, googity bob. Right as I was talking. I was getting ready to say before I was rudely cut off by this trade, by this stock action, price action. You can take some money right here at the top of the algo, or you can hold on, see how far we dip, okay, to see if we're able to build up enough momentum to break out of this controlled buying algo and into the larger algo, causing the bears from 9 o'clock until market open to now be squeezed. Let me turn this to a different color. Get it while you can on Friday. Beautiful reminder, Lance. There it is right there. Now, look where we are, guys. And this is 1-minute action. It doesn't get any faster than this. We're driving on the Autobahn. We're right here at the top of the algo and the bottom of the larger algo. What a very important area that we're in. Because if we're able to get a close in this area, that will now start squeezing this morning bears, eliminate this controlled selling algo that started at 8 o'clock. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do it now. I'm going to eliminate it. Bam, out of here. And now what we have left was a trap, a beautiful trap that was set by the bulls. Realizing they couldn't go up any higher, they decided to create an opportunity for liquidity to be built. And it was. And now we have officially broken back into the larger controlled buying algo. And looks like we standing on it. That's what we want to see. Turning the bottom of this into an area of support, which will then allow us to potentially make newer highs. That golden area I have right here with a 6071 alarm. And if you notice, we came right to it and turned away. This is a very important area. For me, it's a desired area where I may want to add to my position, knowing what's on the other side of this candle. And again, it doesn't get any faster than the action we're looking at right now on the 1 minute, as our teammate Lance reminded us. Get it while you can on a Friday. A lot going on in this area. It doesn't get any faster than this. The top of the controlled buying algo. The larger buying algo coming from yesterday post-market. This came from yesterday post-market. Let me show you that. Alrighty. Let me show you right here on your screens. This started yesterday. This controlled buying algo started yesterday. This was a little bit of profit taking and a trap. Okay? The goal is to get back into that overall buying algo and retest, as I stated before, the 6078. I hope you can see it clearly here. And all I did earlier was also identify when we had that selling algo coming right here. So I identified that controlled selling algo as well. I just erased it. That's all. But this is, because I didn't want to confuse anybody, but this is what we were looking like coming into this morning. Controlled buying. Getting jammed here. Thinning out. Taking some profit. Building liquidity. And now, forming a little cup right here. Clearly showing the goal has not been met yet. We got right to that area, the 6071, where I have an alarm. And the bears understood the assignment and they have come back in force. Whoa! Well, looky look. On the 5 minute. I will not do this. Now we know a failed hammer is somebody should have told me, Abdul, there's a green hammer on the 5 minute chart. My goodness. Now we also know that a failed hammer, that's right, shooting star. Thank you, Dr. J. Now we also know that a failed shooting star is a bullish move. a failed shooting star is a bullish move, because in this shooting star wick, you have a bunch of bears who rejected higher prices. And as the market price continues to rise, these bears will have to cover their position or double down. That could happen as well. Either way, I'm now looking at this position based upon what the market is showing us. If the shooting star fails, the market will continue to go up. If this shooting star holds and we break this controlled buying algo here, we're going back down. So let me prepare a put just in case. What do you guys think? Man, I cannot ignore it. I can't ignore it. That is what it is. That is what it is. So I'm getting out of my call. I got out of my call and I got in a put. I made that mistake yesterday, holding on to a position after I clearly saw the market telling me something else. No doubt about it. I was not going to make that same mistake again. As our teammate Lance reminded us, take the money while the money was available. The money was available where I called it out. The money was available as I blew it up on the 1 minute chart. And now the money is no longer available because the marker showed us the shooting star. And as long as the shooting star was failing, it was bullish. But once the shooting star started confirming, it was bearish. And I got in it and respected that. And now I will start taking some money. Oh yes, we're going to start taking some money now. We're going to take the money. We're going to take the money. We're going to take the money. Thank you, Dan. Now, guess what I'm excited about, guys? What I'm excited about is not what's happening right now. What I'm excited about is what's happening on the 30-minute chart. On the 30-minute chart, we had a huge green to red move. We also had a rejection for those of you who follow SMAs and things of that nature. We'll also have the 5 and the 20. So on the 20-day SMA, we had a nice rejection here as well. So what I'm excited about is with 5 minutes left, this could potentially be a red shooting star at the top of an uptrend. And boy, are we right now potentially in a good position. But who knows with this market? Again, as our teammates' words ring in my ear, take the money while it presents itself to you. I want to switch to the 1 minute because the way the market has been moving and flip-flopping, being that I am in this trade still, I want to know that the trade is still working. So that way I'm not giving anything back. You see that on the 1 minute, we had a beautiful red hammer set in. And if we would have got trading above that, the market could have respected that. So for right now, guys, I'm tuning in to the 1 minute with this runner. And I'm looking at the clock. You see that? I'm looking at the clock as well. With options, I want to maximize and get as much out of this as I can. Aha. Let's go. Also, on the daily chart. Okay. Yep, I got it. Thank you, Lance. I took it. I took it and got right out, as I stated, on that 1 minute. With that hammer getting put in, there is a possibility of the market responding to that, and I just wanted to see. Now, I could very well retest VWAP and come back down, but if that's the case, I'd rather get back in the play again rather than be on this roller coaster ride, which is why we needed to switch to that 1 minute chart. And sure enough, we held it until it said, give it up. Thank you guys for the encouragement. Thank you guys for being on that ride with me. It really, really, really helped. I tell you all the time, you may hear my voice, but this is a team effort. And I thank you. Even all the way down to the exit. Great reminder, Lance, as you saw it coming too. And as I stated, that could very well just be, a quick break, quick breather, as we now have the 10 o'clock 30-minute candle that is coming upon us. So this can still continue further down. $15 seconds left. $15 seconds left. 5 seconds left. I want to wait for a close here. Even on the 1 minute, I want to see a close here at the 606 and then a continuation candle. Give me a minute as I clean these charts up. This is a very serious area here, the 606. 606 is serious. And it's a whole number as well. But we are getting that move on that 30 minute that I told you, that continuation, beautiful. It doesn't matter what chart it's on. There's an opportunity to get in for those of you who are waiting. Beautiful. Beautiful opportunity. Watch out now. Everyone, please be careful. If you're in it, keep in mind every level, every line on these charts mean something and present an opportunity for you to take profits or reevaluate your position. Please use them as I share them with the team for us all to benefit. I put in extensive research in every level that is on this chart. They all mean something. Please believe it. And thank you guys for hitting the like button as well. Still in that controlled selling. We attempted to break out of it, but was snatched right back into it and am hugging the line. This is on the 1 minute chart. Is anybody still in it? If you are, let me know. Pull back, because that 1 minute chart can be a little intimidating. Straight out of the playbook, beautiful green shooting star at the top of an uptrend. Price trading underneath the shooting star. First profit taking area, VWAP. Second profit taking area, the end of the first 5 minute candle. Third profit taking area, the next support or demand level. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this one because this was a textbook trade. Definitely one to add to the playbook. And of course, this is a weekly area of support. It's small and light blue. It's a daily area of support. But it's still an area nonetheless. Okay, here's the difference. The weekly are dark and thick. The daily are light and thin. But nonetheless, whoa. extension. Take some money on this extension. Give me some money on that extension. Yes, 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 yes. Nice quick scalp. So I'm sorry, it's so quick I didn't get a chance to put it on here. Quick scalp. Quick scalp. This is a desired area. Doesn't know if it's going to happen the first time that we've reached it. Very well could. And is. A lot of time still left on the clock, but I want to be careful in this area. They're not going to give it up that easy. There it is. Beautiful. Let me adjust the algo. Beautiful. Tight. Real tight. It's tight. Real tight. Again, they're not going to give this area up easy. I do like it, which is why I just went ahead and stuck my hand in a cookie jar. But I also have, I also have it written down to take that 605 put. So I was not just moving hasty. I was not just moving. I called that 6055 area out. Well, how about this? How about 45 seconds left on this 5-minute candle? And it's looking like a beautiful hammer. 30 seconds left. Ladies and gentlemen, if we get trading above the 6058, ooh-wee, the market is being far too kind today. 10 seconds left. And you gonna put a hammer in front of my face? You got to be kidding me. You're not gonna do that. Well, it did. A failed hammer is a bearish move, because that would mean all these bulls would have to cover. As we know, in tails, you find bulls. So don't let the color fool you. These are bulls hiding in red skin. Bulls are hiding here. And they're starting to show their colors. Now, if the bears are able to continue the downward pressure, all of these recent bulls would have to cover. Now, the same on the flip side. As I put this alarm here at the 6058, with the market price trading at the 6058, you're gonna have some bears who were just making money with me say, you know what? Let me go ahead and cover. Let me put some money in my pocket. Let me not give a lot of this money back. I know Abdul and some Real Change team are out there, and they're sharks. So they're thinking, boy, and we're waiting. We understand either way, something is about to go down. Either these bulls from the 1005 candle are about to get squeezed. And if they get squeezed, the market is coming down to the 6046. Or the bulls have said enough is enough. It's time to start milking these bears. The bears are saying, well, we We've had a nice run. We've made some good money. Now let's get out of Dodge. The only thing left now is to wait and see. But either way, it's about to go down. Two and a half minutes, Dan. 2.5 minutes, and we will know. What a fight. I mean, a tug of war is going on right here. And of course, it's going on at a line that we've had previously drawn coming into today's market open. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left before the party starts. Looks like the Bulls want to start the party early. But doesn't matter. As Dan the man always says, let the candle close. You're not just going to come here, look inside, and see that we're having a good time and think you're going to walk away. Oh, no. You've got to come on in and close the door behind you. That's how we know you're serious. In a little more than 1 minute, we will know. The Bulls are on the attack and breaking this controlled selling algo. You can't help but see it with a beautiful hammer and price trading above the hammer. I mean, wow. 50 seconds left. Just keep in mind, is the risk worth your reward? If you do take a trade, no profit taking area. First is VWAP, then on beyond that. But that's why we wait until the candle closes. Shout out to Dan. Shout out to Dan. You see that? We reached the area of interest, which is why my alarm went off. But we don't trade action. We trade closes. Shout out to Dan the man. Now the Bulls are really in trouble. I mean, are really in trouble. Potentially. Wow. Wow. What is going on level 2? Let me see this level 2 fight. My goodness. The Bulls need to get above 606. The only way I would take a call is above 606. And they're pushing down. The Bears are hammering, stacking to 58. We're dropping. Price is getting ready to drop. Stacking to 56. We're dropping. Back to 57. This is all I really need. I don't even need the charts. I can see what's going on right here. And see the Bears are stacking and see that we're dropping. I can see it. Boy, the Bulls are holding on by their chin, but they're not doing a really good job. Oh no, we're dropping. We're down below to 605.50. If we can hold this, that'll be the squeeze, Dan. These early Bulls will have to cover. That'll be a squeeze, and this will be a measured move. A measured move. Lot of pressure going on right now. Glad we're on the sidelines. No better place to be than out of Dodge. The Bulls did not want to go out without a fight. So the Bulls are finding some support at the 605.5 area. As I look over here at the Bulls, they're stacking at the 605.50. We don't have to say 605. We already know that. So the 50, now the Bulls are pushing. But they just can't get to enough togetherness to get over that 606.6 area. The Bears are not having it. The Bears have a wall at the 58. Every time she touches 58, the Bears have been pushing this thing back down. Ooh, stack at 52. She's dropping. She's dropping. She's dropping. Stack at 41. She's dropping. Woo! I love level 2. Oh, the Bulls just stacked at 35. The Bulls are stacking at 605.35. We get it below 605.35, Dan. That's when these guys will get flushed. 605.35 is the key area. Stacked at 40. We're dropping. There it is. Wow. Wow. Told you. Wow. Told ya. Told ya. Told ya. We got below 35. We was out of here. Told ya. Woo-wee. Told ya. They was out of here. Man, that was the squeeze, Dan. Right to the T, buddy. Level 2. Not me. It's just level 2. We're just reading level 2. Reading price action. How much time is left in the clock? 30 seconds left, Dan. Little less than 30 seconds. Little less than 30 seconds. If the Bulls do not respond with the last minute push, oh my goodness. Bears stacking at 15. How much time left? 5 seconds left. Bears stacking 12. Bears are kicking they butt right now. All right, that's enough excitement for me. I'm getting too excited now. The Bulls are putting on a last minute effort. These Bulls are really trying right now. They just can't get it together. Just can't get it together. Just can't get it together. All right, that's enough entertainment for me, guys. I've really enjoyed my time with you guys today. I'm grateful to be positive on a Friday. Grateful to be positive any day. Just a little quick level 2 entertainment for you guys. And level 2 lets us know exactly what's happening and where it is happening at. My goodness. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Thank you for tuning in. Let's go ahead and give a shout out to our sponsors. Before we wrap it up. Alrighty, FTF system. Do you know someone who wants to have a baby, but maybe they're having a hard time getting pregnant? We've helped hundreds of women get pregnant with our clinically proven system. Maybe we can help you too. FTF, the alternative to IVF. Shirts for traders. You're a trader, right? Then look like one. Some of the finest trading t-shirts on the market today. And guess what, guys? I happen to be wearing one of these shirts myself right now. I don't know if you can see it, but I just happen to have one right now. Like Michael Jordan used to say, is it the shoes? Spike Lee, is it the shoes? Is it the shirt? Maybe it's the shirt. Get you a shirt. Go to shirtsfortraders.com. Paid pen. That's right. How to start making money from writing letters. If you know someone who has time on their hands, send them to paidpen.com. And our trading view algo. Let's take a look at that. Sorry, it looked like we're having a little bit of technical difficulties. What in the world? I just lost everything. My goodness. I've been hacked. I've been attacked. I feel jacked. Somebody bring my screen back. Oh, there it is. I feel better now. Alrighty, guys. That is it for me. I don't know what just happened to my trading view. Trading view went out.
Great. The new GoDaddy Arrow.
Man, I can't see anything. Don't get smacked. That's right. Don't get smacked. Stay on the attack. That's all we can do. But guess what? We ain't got no lack. We're going to sign off now, but inshallah, Monday will be back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And behind the scenes, want to let you guys know we are putting something together for February. The third week in February. We're right now looking tentatively from the 20th through the 22nd. Hopefully by Monday, I will be able to give you guys the exact date, the exact time, and the exact address for our very first meetup. Super excited about that. Super excited about that. Well, guys, that's all for me today. You got to know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. I'm out of here. I enjoyed my time with you guys. God bless you and be well. Bye for now.